taping.
Yeah, whatever.
How does it sound? How does Callum sound?
I know exactly
when
what
he
you're
makes
doing.
his noise.
You're not gonna trick me. Hi, Callum. She's not gonna trick me.
Callum won't do it unless Daddy does it first.
Oh.
Did someone break the lawnmower? Gotta give it a good pull. The lawnmower start.
Can you do that? He's not gonna do it if we're like interacting with him. He'll only do it if you're ignoring him. Hi, Cal. That was a good noise. That was a real quiet one. You trying not to upset anybody? Oh, Pookie Wookie Bear. Pookie Wookie Bear. That's such a fun noise. Can you do it again? It's like a baby Wookie. His voice hasn't dropped yet. Is that what you are? That or a dolphin? Or a tropical bird? I can't decide.